The Park Tool WH-1 is a shop-quality wheel holder for making any wheel-based maintenance or repair work easier. The WH-1 holds wheels in place at 3 different angles to allow for the most convenient position for the job. The WH-1 features adapters for compatibility with all common thru-axle and quick-release standards. The size and position of the axle assembly can be quickly and easily adjusted without the use of tools. The WH-1 can be bolted to a bench top using the built-in mounting holes, or installed using a clamp or in a bench vise.